How not to forget what we have learned. What is the best way to learn? How does the Anki app work?
Hey guys, welcome to Free From Camp channel. Well, before starting the tutorial, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Step 1. Type Anki in the Google Play Store search. Step 2. Download this app. Step 3. Open the Anki app. Step 4. Click on this plus. Step 5. Create a deck. Step 6. Add what you want on your deck. Step 7. Here you can set the front and back of the card. If you click on this clip, you can use these options instead of text. From here, you can use these features in your writing. For example, Step 8. In the type section, you can set the card type. Basic is simple and unchanged. Basic and reverse card. Here you are going to be asked about the front and back of your card in a random and reverse manner. Basic and optional reverse card. Here the Anki app decides whether or not to reverse the card. Basic, type in the answer. You must write the answer to the question here. It's great for anyone who wants to practice writing. Step 9. Image attribution. This typing is very important and useful for the image.
Can you say cat in French?
Step 10. After the study is finished, if you wanna review it again, you are not allowed to do so right away. So what should we do to review it again? You can review it again now. Step 11. How can we edit the content of each deck? Keep on the deck and then browse cards. Now you can see and edit all the content. Step 12. How to see a preview of all cars after editing. Well, this part is over. If you like this type of content, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. I won't take up your time again. Goodbye.